Hey everyone, you just got a big check in the mail. Maybe it's a refund, a bonus, or a gift. You're excited to deposit it, but you're not sure how. Ally Bank might be new to you, and depositing a check can seem a bit daunting. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hook. Ever wondered if you can deposit a check without leaving your couch? Or maybe you've heard of Ally Bank, but you're not sure how it all works. Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Ally Bank and learn how to deposit a check like a pro. Understanding Ally Bank. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of check deposits, let's take a quick look at what Ally Bank is all about. Ally Bank is a digital-only bank, which means it doesn't have physical branches. This might sound a bit strange at first, but it actually has its advantages. For starters, you can bank from anywhere, anytime, using your computer, tablet, or smartphone. The different deposit methods. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can deposit a check to Ally Bank. There are essentially three main methods: mobile deposit, ATM deposit, and Ally Bank branch deposit. Mobile deposit. Mobile deposit is probably the most convenient method. All you need is your Ally Bank mobile app and a smartphone with a camera. Here's how it works. 1. Open the app. Launch the Ally Bank app on your phone. 2. Select Deposit Check. Look for the option to deposit a check. 3. Take a photo. Follow the app's instructions to take a clear photo of the front and back of the check. 4. Verify details. Double-check the amount and account number to ensure accuracy. 5. Submit. Once you're satisfied, submit the deposit. The app will usually give you a confirmation message once the deposit is successful. It's a pretty straightforward process, and you can typically access your funds within a few business days. ATM deposit. If you prefer to use an ATM, Ally Bank has partnered with Allpoint ATMs nationwide. These ATMs allow you to deposit checks without any fees. Here's what you need to do. 1. Find an Allpoint ATM. Use the Ally Bank app or the Allpoint ATM locator to find a nearby ATM. 2. Insert your card. Insert your Ally Bank debit card into the ATM. 3. Select Deposit Check. Follow the on-screen prompts to deposit your check. 4. Envelope and slot. Place your check in the provided envelope and insert it into the designated slot. 5. Confirm. Verify the amount and account number before submitting the deposit. Just like mobile deposit, ATM deposits are usually processed within a few business days. Ally Bank branch deposit. While Ally Bank is a digital-only bank, it does have physical branches in select locations. If you happen to live near one, you can visit a branch to deposit your check in person. Here's what you'll need to do. 1. Visit a branch. Find the nearest Ally Bank branch and visit during business hours. 2. Fill out a deposit slip. Complete a deposit slip with your account number, the amount of the check, and any necessary endorsements. 3. Hand over check. Give your check and deposit slip to a bank teller. 4. Receive receipt. The teller will give you a receipt as confirmation. In-person deposits are typically processed immediately, and you should be able to access your funds right away. Additional tips. Before depositing your check, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Endorsement. Make sure to endorse the back of the check with your signature. Correct account number. Double-check that you're entering the correct account number on the deposit slip or in the app. Check image quality. If you're using mobile deposit, ensure that the photos of your check are clear and legible. Deposit deadlines. Be aware of any deadlines or restrictions imposed by the check issuer. Conclusion. As you can see, depositing a check to Ally Bank is a relatively simple process. Whether you prefer to do it from your phone, at an ATM, or in person, there's a method that suits your needs. So, the next time you receive a check, don't hesitate to deposit it to your Ally Bank account. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or visit the Ally Bank website. Until next time, happy banking.